Okay, my country people, then our people, listener viewers around the world. When I will see this person waiting for this screen, the name na Anthony, and they be say they be cheer people there for me, they be this for me. Fighter, they don't feel handle their team, them the one can handle them. When I go listen to a message, wait till they tell another fighter, they forgot do for another fighter. They there for Diaspora. And during to that period of time, now so instead this begin they up, they go in the process, forgot do that thing the way it talk. Only same year, after they begin they don't go, they go find the bitter color they don't see. They meet up one of his soldier. They beat him. On his way coming back, it be like people when they don't like them, see them, they pass. They go inform Kelebe them. Say that man don't pass go up so. Now so Kelebe they go bracket. Cut and we ask kill them too for the trial. Now so cross take a loss in life because of the education for some of this power hunger them for diaspora. When they leave what they're supposed for they do, they say the one can support now war by taking power for the tell people to say them to they get their own soldiers. When I go listen for a message, I dey try for find cross the own message for join up with this one. So because of one or two things, I whether I will not go fit get bitter color on pictures for a year because of one or two reasons. But more I just understand say now it be the fight where some people they encourage, say me they fight. Now this same group of people they go join with government cause atrocity for Kumba. For that picking the way they die for Kumba. Immediately I expose them. They don't run go heights. You know the year make him again. Because a mission has been completed by bringing Kumba for a carpet level where it be needed. But some of them they see these kind of people, they for blame them. When they find me. But God could help we. No worry. When I go cry, I never see something. I just see how they go.
Yes, hello. Eke Shinarambo. Your place day. I say, why you throw me so? Hey Shina, how you doing? Hope all things they fine. Yes. I get very, very urgent and emergency where I want to make you handle lamb. May I talk something? I want me to go arrest me that non-entity where they call it a bitacola for Kosalade, that pin. I want me to arrest you. You una seize that bomb action for a hand. Una hold at the time where General above go come, una go hand for you. May I talk something? Bitacola collect money from SDF, buy weapon. Bitacola collect money 1 million from man for town. Collect money 1 million from this thing. Buy it collect almost about 6 or 7 million. Buy one gun. Bitacola don't collect money from they recall in a way this man for Jacob K. By computer call the Naki chest, she don't face a kumba the Naki chest. Say be general under Ekeko. But I got she don't call some people and say they go work with Soka Def. say they be black leg. But I call about she don't call people. So me I talk something. I don't try. I will call general transport. I'll call your pa. I don't try general both. I don't call it. No go because now I be careful call. Tell una all these things them. Since I see no day. Now I begin that way. Don't leave am for una hand. Commander gun proof. Now na bra. He say no day. A papa na general transport. Oh na. I know they discriminate me for picking with another one. Oh na ma picking them. But if some picking they say this struggle, I know if she don't look my eye close am. Okay, Bitakola don't go take moto, Kaji. Kada moto go tam inside bush. They ask 4 million. Colonel Dima don't call me. Black Rap don't call me. They ask me, say they don't call, say some man don't take some motor for down there, they ask 4 million. Me I ask something. When I go shoot gun, another man she don't for back collect money. She don't smoke buy caillou. Smoke them. He take picking them, pack them. Una go take me that pump action. Yes. Una no call it for meeting because you know come. Una surprise he, arrest them, carry go them, lock them, beat them fine. Arrest even that last barrier. Arrest even that they call also or non soldier monkey. Arrest all them. Yes. Una beat them fine. Una go take me that gun. Go arrest me that picking. Una go arrest me. Arrest me that Bitakola, that thief. That Bamileke fool. Una arrest me.
Now, so we talk with the very anini after that cross emission no fail. He tell the very guy, the guy shoot that same Bitakola. The guy shoot the Bitakola, no enter Bitakola shooting enter. Now so they want to take a loss in life. So now so they don't ever they do. Now they are walk that way they don't ever they do. We would find that cross on picture to other for day. In the process of killing Bitakola, after the other ones that be fail, he still send this guy. I think Akum on how they call this guy name. I don't forget that name. So one other fighter from Mato, ABC convinced the guy. That name they can't go. I think why they call that name? I don't forget this guy's name. If you see send this guy to make go kill Bitakola. In the process of going, all their plan all be leak. The guy be get a very serious problem say with late transporter. That's what they want to take and disappear. I just want to expose some of the wickedness of the people where they talk say they want liberation. Some of their dark actions the way they do them, where some of them I don't know. I wanna never hear about them. I define the crossing number. And I no worry. The crossing picture I go put her there.
Open up.
Okay. Listeners around the world and viewers. This is a short video of Commander Bitakola. When these people never don't infiltrate them, now so they be the work. Broad daylight na fiango market that. They never they fear anything, fearless. They get the mind, they get the courage. But when Anthony they come, what I talk say on a middle be poison with a lot of dangerous people. This other guy for down here with a white innerwear and an earpiece with a red cap. Another Shinarambo this. The one from the side from Gucci. Very strong commander. They will black them. Any fighter that they say here, any man win a fighter. When they hear about Shinarambo. The kind of people that when I don't forget about them, when I didn't think about this kind of people. When people don't make difference for Manfred Road. How this one do die too? Now he and soldier, small soldier, we the very group for Anthony, they don't promise to say they go make him the commander if he move the man for game. Now so in that this man they change bullets. They happen to say all the two they fall. So tell me with that kind of spirit, how una want to take independent? Una fit tell me my here, una explain for me. Because sometimes I need the one for talk, but now they push me, I can't talk. And when I talk, the talk will turn back and knock on our heads. With this kind thing, every if you will get picking where you get power, how where you get courage for go fight, how you feel to tell yourself me go join this kind of fight? Because all these things so that they lost the goal. No man don't know about them. But a day for una middle. I dey come. After I see, the shows that verify. When I look this machine where the boy hold up for hand here, so na machine for produce bullets. This guy be supposed for hand me this thing for Nigeria. But because I dey for intertribal war, where they don't turn the war into tribalism, that's why I go surely put them. They tell the guy say me no can give me this thing, the guy can get the thing. What on a high one do, they go shoot and kill him, collect the thing. They never know who they take the thing for you. The thing finally lost. This machine when I say will have a hand, so now zoom and goggle up, una will know the use of the machine. So now they can't fight all the inside that. I wanna ask you, they can't fight, just how they go. Because I know I could explain some people they not go understand. Now that machine now I talk say they do bullet where they go give that boy where begin for can give me a car and go to for northwest, they go kill him. Now the bullet that the machine that just has they make bullet. I don't see him. Now in that so see him. The machine that so. Yeah, this is cross. Now cross with the tell say me go keep it a call and I end that so. When I say the cut in, I say I shall not kill you. I say Anthony don't run now go she don't quiet. He don't push people they are picking they go die. He don't find play go she don't quiet. One comment in it they make them again. Now cross that. Now don't see cross now. Now cross that so. Now cross that don't go so. When I feel imagine how many people they don't use this kind of style for kill them.